Hello guys, today's topic is an essay, Value of Time. Time is the most important factor for the progress of human beings. Time is running continuously. Time once gone is gone forever. It never comes back. Time gives equal opportunity to all. It doesn't say the poor or rich, young or old, healthy or sick, etc. It is equally important to all. Time and tide wait for no man. Time is precious. We can buy everything with our money, but time can't be bought. Time can be divided into present, past and future. Past is past. It has already gone. We should learn from the past experience. Present is important for us. If we utilize the present time properly bright, so we should not waste our present time. We should not waste our time by doing unnecessary things like playing cards, gossiping about other people, watching films, etc. We should utilize our time doing creative works like reading good books, helping our family members, working hard, etc. We have to use our time wisely. Loss of time leads us to failure and grief. Some people are foolish. They don't realize the importance of time. They are wasting their valuable time. Waste of time is a great loss. We should not be idle. We always should be active. Time is more important for students. They should utilize their valuable time properly. Those students who utilize their time wisely, they will be great person in future. They should make the routine and spend their valuable time accordingly. Teachers should teach the students about the value of time. Our life is very short. We have to do a lot of things in a limited span of time. So we must utilize our time properly. वीडियो को like, share and subscribe जरूर करें. Thank you.